Hey y'all, it is me Xureila and I'm back with another wig review video. So today's wig is by Divaswigs. This is a 22-inch 180% density honey blonde highlight Malaysian human hair wig. It is so freaking cute, y'all, so stay tuned to see how I applied it, and everything about this hair will be down below in the description. So this is the finished look. It is so cute. I love this. This is so freaking cute. And I didn't do nothing to the hair. I didn't curl it or anything. It came like this, and it's really cute. My earring don't fall out. Wow, let's just fix that. But this is my favorite side. I did do a sideburn. I forgot to do sideburn on this side, so. But yeah, so everything about this hair will be down below in the description. Y'all go check out Divaswigs. They got some bomb hair. This hair is so soft and it's just so cute. As y'all can see, I plucked it a little bit, but I didn't go overboard with it. I could have plucked more, but I think that's cute enough to me. So yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If you do, then leave a like and a sweet comment down below, and I will see y'all in my next video. Y'all say bye. Bye. You guys gotta say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.